As a medical specialist dedicated to men's health and erectile function, I'm often asked a recurring question. Doctor, is there a natural way to improve erections without relying on medications? The good news is, yes, there is. Today, I'll share with you a science-backed, nutrient-rich juice that can support vascular health and enhance sexual performance naturally. It's simple to prepare, uses everyday ingredients you likely already have at home, and when consumed consistently, it can significantly support your erectile function over time. But remember, no miracle exists in isolation. This juice is a helpful tool, part of a wider strategy centered around healthy lifestyle choices, exercise, proper sleep, and stress management. So stay with me until the end, because I'll not only give you the full recipe and explain how to prepare it, I'll also walk you through exactly why each ingredient matters from a physiological and scientific perspective. My name is Dr. Fiona. I'm a board-certified urologist with specialization in andrology and male sexual health. If you want credible, evidence-based information to optimize your intimate life, improve performance, and regain control over your health, I invite you to subscribe here so we can walk this journey together. Now, let's talk about this natural juice and why it works. Erections fundamentally depend on one thing: adequate blood flow, and that flow is controlled by a signaling molecule called nitric oxide. This molecule relaxes the blood vessels, allowing blood to rush more freely into the penile tissue, resulting in a firmer, longer-lasting erection. Certain foods contain compounds that boost your body's production of nitric oxide, improve vascular elasticity, and reduce inflammation, 3 essential mechanisms behind healthy erectile function. With that in mind, let's break down the key ingredients in this juice and their evidence-based benefits. First, spinach. Spinach is rich in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Research shows that greens like spinach contribute to improved endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of blood vessels. Better dilation of the penile arteries means increased blood flow where it counts. Spinach also contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a primary factor behind vascular aging. For this recipe, use 1 cup of fresh, chopped spinach. Second, beetroot. Beetroot is another powerhouse when it comes to supporting nitric oxide production. Multiple clinical trials have demonstrated that beetroot juice improves cardiovascular efficiency and increases blood flow. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that beetroot can enhance endurance and circulation in both athletic and clinical populations. Use 1 small, peeled, chopped beet in your juice. Next comes watermelon. Often overlooked, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that is converted into arginine, which then boosts nitric oxide synthesis in the body. What's fascinating is that the highest concentration of citrulline is not in the red flesh, but in the white rind, just beneath the surface. So for effectiveness, blend the watermelon with its rind. Use 1 slice of watermelon with seeds removed and include the rind for maximum benefit. Now, orange juice. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in enhancing nitric oxide bioavailability. It also helps protect the molecule from oxidative degradation, ensuring it remains active in your system longer. Orange juice doesn't directly increase blood flow, but it makes everything else in this juice more effective by maximizing nitrate absorption. Add 200 milliliters, approximately 1 cup, of fresh orange juice to your mixture. For natural sweetness and additional health benefits, we add honey. Honey contains polyphenols, which have been shown to improve cardiovascular health. It also stabilizes blood sugar compared to refined sugar, making it a superior choice for this recipe. Use a spoonful or adjust based on taste preference. Optionally, chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and support cardiovascular integrity. They help reduce arterial plaque buildup, also known as atherosclerosis, which, when present in the tiny arteries of the penis, is a significant cause of erectile difficulties, especially with age. If available, mix in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds after blending your juice. How to consume. This recipe produces about 2 to 3 glasses of nutrient-packed juice, depending on the size of the ingredients used. Ideally, consume 1 glass per day, preferably in the morning to allow those nutrients to circulate during the day. If you're preparing in batches, store any remaining juice in the refrigerator and use it within 24 to 48 hours to maintain freshness. Alternatively, you can pour the juice into ice cube trays and freeze. Each day, just blend a few cubes with water for a quick, convenient dose. Here's what this juice does and doesn't do. Let's be clear, this is not a miracle cure for erectile dysfunction, ED. Severe ED usually involves multiple factors: vascular disease, hormonal imbalance, psychological issues, and underlying metabolic conditions like diabetes or hypertension. No single juice can reverse advanced pathology. However, when used consistently, especially in combination with regular physical activity, sufficient sleep, reduced alcohol intake, and strategies for stress reduction, this juice can become a powerful preventive and supportive measure. It optimizes the internal environment that makes natural erections more robust and sustainable with time. I encourage you to make this a part of a broader commitment to your health. Sexual vitality is not just about performance, it's a reflection of your cardiovascular and metabolic condition. And the earlier you start taking care of these systems, the better your outcome will be, not just in the bedroom, but in your overall quality of life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit, and be sure to like this video so more people can discover natural, science-based solutions for better living. I'm Dr. Fiona. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.